Hi guys, good day, good afternoon, good morning. Welcome back to today's video. I'll be taking you through how to make this nice zobo drink. In your pot, you'll be adding in your zobo leaf, guys. Adding your clove, your cinnamon stick, guys. You peel off your pineapple and set the main pineapple aside and put your pineapple peel, the back, you put it inside the pot. Put in your ginger, add in your water to your own texture, guys. After that, you have to cover and cook it for some minutes. You can see how your zobo drink is bubbling up, guys. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. After that, you have to blend your pineapple. If you want, you can add it to your zobo. If you don't like it, you can just leave it like that. Your zobo drink is ready, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to click your notification bell so that you get notified anytime you post a new video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.